So in this video of the Facebook ads course, today we'll explain a very important setting because when we will teach you how to create campaigns in this course. So friends, you will have to decide on a performance goal for every campaign. Then your campaign will achieve the exact goal that you want, which is the whole purpose of creating this campaign. And my objective will be achieved and Facebook will understand that. So it's a very simple setting. Let's understand it because it will be used in every campaign. So right now, as you can see here, you are in my Facebook ads account, means on my dashboard. And whenever we create a new campaign, then we choose a specific objective. Now let's say I have chosen the traffic objective here. Means I have to drive traffic on my website. Now I'll click continue here and move forward. We'll go with the manual setup here. Let's continue and move on. Now we'll come to campaign level. I've entered the campaign name and turned on the advantage budget campaign. Now the meaning of this advantage campaign budget is that the budget should be optimized. This means we're telling Facebook to take whatever money I spend on this campaign is to get maximum results on budget, so you have to turn this on. Then you have chosen the daily budget, etc. what you have to choose. When you click next and get to the ad set level, that's when the option of performance goal appears. So at the top you'll see an option called performance goal. And here, because I have already chosen the traffic objective, right? So it's showing maximum number of link clicks. Then there are other goals: maximum daily unique reach, maximum number of conversions, and maximum number of impressions. So what is this all about? It means that my goal means my objective is traffic. It's giving me 4 options and asking me what I want when the campaign is running. So what would most people want? Traffic means clicks, right? So it means that more and more people can click and come to my website. That's why I've set my performance goal to clicks. Then over here, you can also set it to maximum number of conversions if you want to get something from traffic ad, like you want to get sales, conversions or leads. So you can keep this option. As for impressions and unique reach, those are generally there, like when we choose awareness type objectives and run those kinds of campaigns. So what happens now? For example, if I choose calls here, then my performance goal will fix to maximum number of calls, other option will not appear. If I select this, then it gets fixed maximum number of Instagram profile visits. It's not like that the performance goal. Or maybe whichever objective you choose, and no matter which conversion goal or action you select within it, so it will not remain the same for everything. Alright? In message destination, it has changed. The number of clicks and the options have appeared here. So in the same way, a person can also choose website. If you choose website, then also you are shown these options here. One more option has been added. Now there are 5 options here. Do you want landing page views or do you want link clicks? So friends, in this way, if I am running a video ad, okay, or if I am running a sales campaign, right? So whatever campaign that I am choosing, in that also there are different conversion options available within it. Or even the other options that I am getting here in my ad set. So let's suppose when I change them, or if I change my bidding strategies and so on, so I have to set my performance goal according to that only. A lot of people get confused about the difference between bidding strategies and performance goal. Look, bidding strategies are basically about how our money is spent or how it is used. So it's telling that. It defines things like getting the highest volume for the lowest cost, or setting a specific bid cap or a cost cap, as I can't pay more than this. But your performance goal is your actual goal. What do you want to achieve? How much money is spent is a different thing. So what do I want to achieve? Basically, I want to achieve more clicks, more conversions, more people seeing my ad, and I can get more reach. And I should get more sales. That is what we call a performance goal. And it's different for every campaign and every setting, okay? But you have to choose it whenever you're creating a particular campaign. So friends, I hope the concept of performance goals is clear to you. So in any campaign, when we'll teach you how to create the campaign, then you will remember this. Thank you.